Today we're going to be loading these two motorcycles into the F250 using ramps. All right, let's take a look at these straps. So you always want to strap these, get them on the lip of your tailgate like this, and then use a strap on each one to the truck so they don't shoot out. Okay, so F250 XL, so pretty basic but tall, with ultra tow ramps. Ultra tow. These are 8-foot ramps, so I mean, longer is better, right? So if you can get a 10 or 12 even, it'd make the slope a lot easier. But you can see I got the KLX up in there without too much drama. I'll probably try riding it up next. And you may ask yourself, hey man, why is he putting that KLX in there at an angle? Well, this is the way I travel with the bike in my other truck. So I haven't traveled with it yet here, but I'll get it all strapped in and then we'll talk about it. All right, so let's talk tie down. So I use 2 ratchet straps to tie down. And I'll come up here and show it to you. Pretty basic setup. Ratchet strap to the foot peg. Other side. Ratchet strap to the foot peg. Front wheel chalked into the corner. Back wheel up against the rail or the fender well cover. And that's it, really. All right, so here's the straps I use. These are made by Mocha in the USA, and they're this type. I've got this little closing pin here so it can't come off if there's a little slack when you go over a bump or something. And I use 2 of these, one in that corner over there, one in this corner, and it works great. Pretty basic stuff. Over there. Again, I have it in gear because the front brakes don't work so well. So we can